Over the past few decades, terrorism has taken a whole new narrative. As the world configured the possible handling of this new threat, Pakistan stepped forward and initiated a series of operations launched in Waziristan and other tribal areas to clear the scourge of terrorism that had claimed over 57,000 Pakistanis. One after the other, the areas were combed, cleared, and rehabilitated before transferring them to civil administration. While 52 nations of the world combined their forces against terrorists, on the other side of the Afghan border, Pakistan armed forces were fighting these terrorists alone on our side. The rise of extremist elements was threatening peace across the globe, yet the most decisive battle was only being fought in this part of the world. For more than 10 years, Pakistan fought this war of attrition all by herself. Pakistan fought this war for the world. It is now for the world to gather for peace in Pakistan. Since the last 3 decades, we are fighting this war to secure the lifestyle of other citizens of the globe. We have not done this for ourselves alone, but for the better future of the entire world. It is now for every citizen of the world to share our burden.